Hello guys, let's discuss some question about male reproductive system. The first question for you, what is cryptorchidism? So cryptorchidism is a medical problem, is a clinical problem in which testes are unable to descend down into the scrotal sac from the abdominal cavity. As a result of the testes no more produce the sperm and the person is said to be sterile. For the treatment of cryptorchidism, a surgery is needed which is called as orchiopexy or orchidopexy. That is orchiopexy or orchidopexy. Orchiopexy or orchidopexy. Question number 2. What is the role of Leydig cells? Actually, what are Leydig cells and where they found? Leydig cells are also called as interstitial cells or interstitial cells of Leydig. They are called as interstitial cells of Leydig because they are found in the interstitial zone of the testis. Leydig cells are clusters of cells. They are bunch of cells. Leydig cells are endocrine in nature. Endocrine in nature due to they secrete testosterone hormone. As they release testosterone hormone, they are endocrine cells of the testis. Testosterone is a type of steroid hormone, and all steroid hormones are cholesterol derivatives. Third question is, what is the function of a cremaster muscle? Cremaster muscles are associated with the male reproductive system. Cremaster muscles pulls up the testis towards the abdominal cavity. Okay, then question number 4, name the role of a dartos muscle. Dartos muscles are present in the scrotum or scrotal sac. Dartos muscles are responsible for squeezing of a scrotal sac as it conserves the heat. Next question, abdominal testis found in which animal? Abdominal testes are found in elephant, whale, echidna and rhinoceros. In human also testes are found in the abdominal cavity before the 7th month of pregnancy, and when the fetus attains 7th month of pregnancy, their testes descend down into the scrotal sac. Okay. Then next question is, what is the function of Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells are the elongated cells. They are found between spermatogonia inside the lumen of seminiferous tubules. Sertoli cells are solitary cells. There are many roles played by Sertoli cells. The first role is Sertoli cells produce ABP. ABP means androgen binding protein. Androgen binding protein is responsible for the concentration of testosterone inside the seminiferous tubules. Second function is Sertoli cells produce AMH or anti-Mullerian hormone or Mullerian regression factor. Anti-Mullerian hormone is responsible for preventing the development of female secondary character or female organs, development of female organs in male. Then another function of Sertoli cell is it produce inhibin. Inhibin is a hormone-like substance. Actually, it is not a true hormone. Inhibin suppress the role of FSH. Another function of Sertoli cell is Sertoli cells produce aromatase enzyme which convert androgen to estrogen. Sertoli cells also have a catalytic role in testis. Sertoli cells barrier. Sertoli cells act as blood-brain barrier. What are spermatogonia? Spermatogonia are the cells which are developed from the cuboidal germinal epithelium. They are considered as the parent cells of the sperm. Spermatogonia, all spermatogonia are diploid cells. Diploid cells. What are diploid cells? Diploid cells are the cells that carry 2n number of chromosomes. 2n number of chromosomes. In human, 2n means 46. So, spermatogonia produce sperm. Actually, meiosis occurs in spermatogonia. The next question, what is orchiopexy? I have already discussed about orchiopexy. That orchiopexy is one type of surgery which assists in the displacement of testes from the abdominal cavity to the scrotal sac.